What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator, and I'm here with yet another Michael's $4 grab bag unboxing. I went 1 week and I got 3 bags, and I went back the following week, and guess what, you guys? I got 1 more bag. So let's go ahead and jump right into this haul. Okay, so the first thing I have here is a super huge poinsettia, and of course it's faux. It's a faux poinsettia for $2.99. I think it will be really pretty in an arrangement or a wreath or even a take off and put on a gorgeous gift bag. I think it will be so pretty. Now I'm realizing that this might be not such a good way to do a haul because I'm zoomed in kind of close. So bear with me, you guys. I want to show you what else I got. And the next thing I got was this cute little food truck ornament, and this is a duplicate. I have one other from another haul, but I think it's so cute, and it's a glass ornament, and it originally retailed for $6.99. And from my other hauls, you guys know that I was finding all sorts of trees in my bag, and yes, I got some more trees. I got this red tree here. It was originally $8.99 and it's by the brand Celebrate It. So I got 1 more red tree. I am going to be finding glitter all over the place for a long time, you guys, because guess what? I have 2 garlands in my bag. These are from Ashland. They're 6 feet garland, and they retailed for $19.99 each, and they have the holly, and they have the glittered pine cones. I know some of you are saying you are so unlucky because some of you hate glitter. But those of you that love glitter, you probably think these are gorgeous. I don't mind glitter, you guys. I know I'm going to be finding it everywhere, but the fact that it is a garland, I don't have such a problem with it. Once you put it up, you kind of set it and forget it, and this is perfect. This past Christmas, I put some garland up above my vertical blinds, and it looked so cute, and then I hung lights above that, and I think it just turned out so cute. You guys, here's my second one right here, and it is identical. Trust me, you guys, it's identical. It's gorgeous. I really, really like it. I just like how full it is, and I'm really looking forward to decorating with this next Christmas. Next Christmas, my plan is to decorate a lot earlier. The kids said that they felt like it went by way too fast. And I said, well, how do you think we could avoid that? And they said, let's decorate a lot earlier, like with lights and the tree and everything. So next Christmas, we're going to decorate a lot earlier per the kids' request. Let's move the garland out of the way a little bit and make room for some other things. You guys can see glitter everywhere. Very fine gold glitter. But alright, so in this bag I found multiple boxes of the clear ornaments, 2 in this size and 1 in the smaller size, and these were all by Art Minds, and these were all $6.99 each. So you get 8 in a box. You guys know I'm zoomed in super close. I'm not even gonna set those there. I know that you guys know what they look like. I found more garland in my bag, and as you guys can tell, I already peeked in this bag. This was originally $6.99, and it's kind of that real plasticky looking pine. It's kind of funny shaped where you could turn it into something, lay it flat. It's super bunched up, you guys. I definitely won't be doing any more grab bags in this fashion. So to those of you that are going crazy with my format, I apologize. Look what else we have here. We have another Christmas tree, and again, this is by Celebrate It for $8.99. Another tinsel tree, this time in silver. And yet another one So that makes 2 silvers. I'm probably just going to end up donating most of these to like an assisted living place or a school maybe, something like that. And I finally got one in green, you guys, out of all my unbaggings, all my unboxings. That is the only one that I got in green. Everything else was pretty much red. If you guys saw my first unboxing, then you probably saw one very similar to this. And I thought that it didn't work. However, I pulled the sticker off the back and I turned on the little switch on the bottom. I turned it on to on and it worked right away. And the little fire started illuminating, and that's the only thing that illuminates on this. These are by Celebrate It, and these were originally $14.99. This one, I don't even think has batteries in it. So I'm going to have to put some tiny little button cell batteries in here. But Gator really liked this. The fact that I already have one, I'll probably just donate the second one. And guess what else? I have more stamps. You guys should see my bag of stamps for my other unboxings. I have Peace on Earth. I think the angel wings are pretty. I have, you know what, you guys, and I don't think I got this one in my other bags. Cold Noses, Warm Hearts. So cute. And I have no idea how much these originally cost. These are by Craftsmart. I want to say $1 to $3. If any of you guys know, please let me know down in the comments. I'm really not sure how much these retailed for. This one says Happy Holidays. And then I have Naughty is the New Nice. That is so cute. Wow, I got all different stamps in this bag. 8 Nights, 8 Lights for Hanukkah. I'm wiping these off, you guys, as I show them to you because they have so much glitter on them. Uh-oh. Happy Hanukkah. I kind of had a feeling that was going to happen. They're all just going to fall on the floor now. And the last one I got was this buck, and this is actually a duplicate. I think I have one other buck. He's pretty handsome with his antlers. And you guys, I have one other thing to share with you. And then I have this package of, I think it's like a banner. And it has this little twine in the back. So let's look at it. You know what, you guys? And it's not connected. Seeing that the string is here, it's not connected. So I'm not sure what this spells. We have 2 E's. What else? We have a, I think that's an O. Two O's. And then we have a J. I'm guessing maybe we're going to spell out the word joy. We have a U. This was not in the packaging, you guys. We have an X. Is that an X? We have an N. Okay, I was thinking joy. Now I'm thinking maybe Noel. I don't know. We have an L. Did I show an N, an O, and an E? I don't feel like I have all those letters. And then we have a Y. I'm not sure, you guys. Maybe Joy, Noel, or I'm not sure. I'm going to have to play with those a little bit. And I don't know. I think Joy and Noel. But yeah, these are pretty. As long as I have all the letters, I could do something with these. Otherwise, they are cardboard. I could just recycle them. You guys, I'm going to say that all of these items probably cost over $100. The trees would have been $36 alone. The garlands would have been about $47. The glass bulbs, I think those were $6.99 each, so those would have been about $20, $21 for the 3. The stamps, the little banner, the poinsettia, the ornament, the little food truck ornament. So yeah, I'm going to say that without really doing the math, I'm going to say that I got over $100 worth of value in this one bag for just $4. What I'm really looking forward to now, you guys, are the Valentine's Day grab bags, if such a thing exists. Let me know down in the comments, you guys, if you've ever gotten a Valentine's Day grab bag from Michaels, and if so, around about when do you find those in your Michaels? Because I think last year these were put out about the 23rd of January or a little later, and this year it was around about the same time, maybe just a little bit later. But even though they don't announce to us when they're going to put them out, I think they have kind of a timeline around about when they do. So if you guys know when they're putting out the Valentine's Day grab bag, share with me and share with everyone else here on the channel when we can find those grab bags, because those Valentine's Day things are so cute, and I would love to get my hands on some of those items for just $4 a bag. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. Please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!